Hello crafties, today I'm going to show you my handmade journal supplies collection part 2. So in this video I'll try to not show as much as I can the things I have already shown in part 1. So this one I have shown. So this is leaf memo pad. So I have already made tutorial videos for all these. You can check on my channel. And these are Kawai Memo Pads. And these are scenery themes. Quite pretty, right? These are butterfly stickers. I have already used a lot of them and only few are left. These are handmade stickers, floral theme stickers. I have used the sticky paper at the back of it. These are kawaii plant stickers, cute cactus theme. Look how I have used them in my March theme journal. Floral doodle stickers. I have made these in one of my shorts videos. Very quick and easy to make, and it's fun also. These are vintage theme stickers. Very vintage colors and vibes they give. Some florals and moon. These look quite aesthetic to me, and it was very fun making them. I really like vintage a lot from my journals. You can say that. So the stickers also, I like them very much. These are vellum stickers. I have drawn them and colored them on a vellum sheet. You can see some of them are of vintage colors and some of them are of bright color and some are like sceneries and galaxies. I really love these polarized ones. So here's our scenery sticker book. So these two I have already shown you in my previous one. Now I'm just showing you the sunset one. So beautiful and pretty it is. I just love it. I love all of them actually. So pretty. Yes. This one is Kawai sticker book. I have made a whole video on Kawai journal supplies. You can check that on my channel. This one is vintage one. I love vintage. So here it is. It just looks so pretty that I don't want to use them in my channel. I just want to keep it like that. These are little kawaii stickers. Very cute ones. This is Kawai Bear Mini Diary and Kawai pattern papers. see how I have used them in my May monthly journal, like these Kawai sticker book and memo pads and the stickers. This is live quote sticker, the transparent one, and this is the color one. I think I have already shown it in my previous videos. Anyway, let's just see it. Very pretty and gold vintage they are, and these are some I have made in neutral pastel colors. I can just cut them whenever I want to use them. I have already used few of them. These are pattern papers. I have a lot video on DIY patterns papers. You can use them for backgrounds and for more like on your cards, etc. You can check the tutorials on my channel. They are all there. You just need to go to my channel, or you can check in playlist too. These were Christmas theme, and these are of vintage theme. Now it's galaxy theme pattern papers. So pretty, and it was very easy to make, very easy, like you don't need to color it all. You can check it how it is done. And here I have used it in my January journal. These are planet stickers, so beautiful. Like this moon one is just so pretty, and the Saturn one, and the Pluto, and this moon one. Yes, so many of them, I just love them. These are white moonlight stickers, very pretty. I have used the golden jelly roll pens. You can simply use a golden glitter pen. Those jelly roll pens are quite good, like they give a metallic look, but you can simply use a glitter pen if you don't have them. Look, I have used these in my June journal. These planet stickers and quote stickers and the moonlight stickers too. And the washi tapes I have used, these are here. If you want me to make galaxy themes scenery sticker book, do comment down and let me know. These are my handmade diaries, vintage diary, and this purple one, and a moon phase one, and yes, Wednesday Adams diary. This one is galaxy theme, very easy to make. This one is pastel one. I have recently shared the video of it. Check it on my channel. Harry Potter log diary. This is K-pop EXO diary. Someone has commented to make a Stray Kids journal diary. So just stay tuned. I will make it one on my channel. So comment down how many total handmade diaries I have. So these are my Blackpink journal supplies. Blackpink diary with a pocket. And washi tapes, of course. Stamp and quote stickers of all the members in the group. These are Blackpink stickers. I have made one shorts also on this, maybe, I think. These are pattern papers, just black and pink and black and pink. These are Blackpink song Polaroids. I have a whole video on this. These are my BTS journal supplies, so I'm just showing you just like this. If you want a detailed mini video of it, comment down on this video and I will make it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.